Meaning of first person.
First person.
First person.
First person.
First person. The term first person refers to a perspective from which a narrative or story is told. In this point of view, the narrator speaks as though they are experiencing the events firsthand, using I, me, my and other first-person pronouns. This perspective can provide readers with a greater sense of intimacy and immediacy with the protagonist's experiences, but it can also limit their knowledge of other characters and events outside of the narrator's direct perception. It is commonly used in literature, video games, and films to convey a personal or subjective experience.